Okay, welcome. The first thing we need to do is to click on our Chrome browser. When your Chrome browser is ready, you now type divinelovecollege.org. You can see it up here, divinelovecollege.org. Remember that when you're done typing Divine Love College, you see this interface. As soon as you see this, you click on Canvas Learning Platform, the blue highlights there. Now, child, your child will give you a login detail, and let me use a login detail. For instance, I will say 2024 hyphen 0041 at dlc.com. Remember, there's no space in between any of these, and then the password is 2024 hyphen 0041. So with that, you click on login. Of course, there will be a prompt for you to save. This is not mine, but you can save because it's yours. So with that, you will see this Vanessa Ezekiel. I'm using her template now as an example. So, of course, welcome Vanessa. Hello, this is that. Take it, or if you want to take it, or but for the purpose of the holiday assignment, just carefully cut off this welcome back, and then you will see this page. Now, if you click on this subject, it will show you. But to make this interface clear for you, it will be important for you to come to these three dots at the top right hand. Come until you see desktop site. Desktop site. Now, this is the desktop site. Sorry, I have to log in again. 2024 0041 at dlc.com. Password 2024 0041, and then I'll log in. Let me just do this for the purpose of this. So now with this, you can see this is the entire template. This is what the Divine Love College Canvas LMS looks like. So the student is expected to go to the subject he or she is supposed to take. So let's say if you want to do the holiday assignment for business studies, you click on business studies, and then it is open. You can now see on the home page, you see JS1 business studies scheme of work for the term, that second term scheme of work. You see JSS1 second term notes. The notes are already uploaded. The students are expected to copy them, and also you see the holiday assignment. So you click on this, and then it will take you to this page. As a student now, if you say take quiz, you take the quiz. You are expected to answer that, and it will automatically mark and submit. But there are other subjects where it may not be a quiz setup for the holiday assignment. Let's say English language. Now, if you click on English language, you see this is what will happen now. You see holiday assignment, English language holiday assignment. If you click on it, you will now see the assignments. Okay, you take it as a quiz, or you copy out the assignments and answer. Thank you for watching this little tutorial. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to call on Mr. Isaac. God bless you.